Hello friends, good afternoon. Today I am going to show you another trick for automation rule to generate and give a unique ID for each CRM leads. So let us jump into the tutorial and see how exactly we can make it possible. So on CRM, whenever we are generating any new lead, this form is holding all the prospect information. Here now we want to assign a unique lead ID because some companies wish to track all information regarding any customer with some unique ID, and that we can create a lead ID. And if you are on Odoo Online, then you have an option to build this using Studio and automation rule. So with Studio, we will create one rule first. So that rule we will see. So I'm installing the Studio right away on my fresh database. Once Studio is installed, I am going into the form view, and here I am bringing a new text field and giving name as lead ID. Once it is done, and if we want to see the Studio field name, we can enable the developer mode. And once we are going there, we can see X Studio Lead ID is the field name, the object name. And second thing, I don't want to create it manually, so that I can define a read-only property over here in the Studio itself, and that is now created. The second step is we will create a unique sequence. So I'm creating a new sequence, CRM Lead ID, and here is its unique name, CRM Lead. And here in prefix, I would like to give lead slash month and year, so that I can uniquely identify from which month that lead is generated and for which year it has been generated. And here I would like to give, a sequence size of, let's say, 5 digit, and next number is always 1. So once this is done, we can go to automation rule and create our automation rule. Automatic lead ID rule. And the model is definitely we have CRM, and trigger point is like during creation and saving I would like to give. So on create and edit time, I would like to create that and add an action like lead ID. And here we will execute a Python code. And this Python code, you can take it from your developer or definitely AI. And pressing this X Studio lead ID is my same lead ID. And then I want to give a sequence from crm.lead sequence object. So this is created, and I would like to give a domain like apply on where. So the rule is like where CRM or lead ID does not contain anything or is not set on those record only, I would like to give this ID. Once it is set, and once we are going into CRM, so when this is existing lead, so I am updating this with any content and saving it. So we will see the lead ID creation should work. So let me check the code, and let me create a new CRM1 and saving this. So this particular lead is generated right now. Now let me check our automation rule again, where I wanted to set when updating lead ID. So I don't want to update the lead ID, but I want to assign that for any existing rule. So I'm going there on create and edit. I want to confirm, and then I'm going into CRM again over here. So now it is generated. So for any new lead, whenever I'm assigning lead contact, edit it, and it will be assigned immediately, and it is non-editable, so you are safe. It will generate unique ID always based on the current month and date used. Second thing is, when you are filling up some web forms or maybe via email, if you are calling any leads, then definitely whenever I am sending this particular email from my ID, so info at lead 4567, hi, my name is Mustafa, and I am need this thing and sending an email. So via this also the system will generate a lead automatically. So when I'm going into my pipeline, the lead will be generated. So when I remove, refresh it, let's wait. Once email will come, we will see the lead over here directly. So this is USA company 1 and sales team belong to USA company 1. Let me assign this. Okay. Now let me send the email again. So info at the rate this lead test 121. Hi, my test record is my content and I am sending it right away. So based on the team and define of the company, now it will fetch the lead over here. So USA company 1 and my sales team is this, which belongs to company 1. And let's see. So this lead is created and the lead ID will be generated when I am adding any content. So if I am adding any phone number, and it is creating and updating the lead number when I am updating those leads. So whenever it is coming from CRM form or email, you can update. So create and edit is my event for automation rule trigger, and that will create a unique ID immediately, and it is non-editable, so you are safe. So this is the way you can simplify a unique ID allocation to all CRM leads on your Odoo SaaS instance with sequence and automation rule. If you want to learn or if you want to apply a real-time automation rule or any AI rule, you can contact us at techvaria.com or my LinkedIn and YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day.